everyone, welcome to IMS Academy. Here is an update from IISc Bangalore for GATE 2024 as they released a revised schedule for GATE 2024 yesterday on 4th December. When you will go to the official website of GATE 2024 by IISc Bangalore, here you can see on the notification examination schedule available online which is released on the 4th December. When you will click on this one, you can see the revised schedule. As earlier also they posted this one and we made the video also for that one. So now after the posting they removed this one. Now this is the new schedule you can see. Okay, this new schedule having few changes. So if I will talk about the major changes, earlier on the 4th February with the civil XC paper was there. Now here the paper is shifted, XC paper is shifted to the 10th February afternoon session. As I can see, the dates and slots are same. Dates will be 3rd, 4th, 10th and 11th. Slots are morning, afternoon. If we will talk about the 3rd February morning, DA paper is there. 3rd February afternoon, mechanical paper is there. 4th February morning, civil 1 is there. 4th February afternoon, civil 2 and IN paper is also there. 10th February morning, CS1 is there. 10th February afternoon, CS2 and XC paper is also there. 11th February morning, EC is there. 11th February afternoon, double is there. So you can see the changes according to your branch. For the official changes, you can check the official website of IISc Bangalore for the GATE 2024. Okay students, thank you.